Some cars are fast, some cars are stunning, but very few become legends. Today we're witnessing the rebirth of one of Britain's most iconic roadsters, the 2026 Austin-Healey 3000. Finished in a deep British racing green, let's dive in. From the front, the 2026 Austin-Healey 3000 honors its heritage beautifully. The signature oval grille remains the centerpiece, now refined with chrome slats and sharper detailing. Polished bumper overriders keep the vintage charm alive, while round headlights cleverly integrate modern LED technology behind classic glass. The sculpted hood with a central intake scoop hints at performance, subtle but unmistakable. Elegant, balanced, and unmistakably Healey. Turn to the side and it's pure roadster perfection. A long hood, short rear deck, low windshield. The proportions are timeless. Flowing bodywork catches light beautifully, especially in that deep metallic green finish. Wire-style alloy wheels preserve the traditional aesthetic while being lightweight. With the soft top neatly folded behind the seats, the car looks ready for an open-air drive at any moment. There's no over-the-top aggression, just pure classic sports car form. At the rear, simplicity reigns. Round LED tail lamps maintain their original charm, paired with a chrome bumper for authentic vintage flair. Twin exhausts provide a subtle performance cue, while the Austin-Healey 3000 script sits proudly at the center. Compact, athletic, and purpose-built. Step inside and craftsmanship takes the spotlight. Traditional materials meet modern convenience. A wood-rim steering wheel with brushed aluminum spokes anchors the driver's view. Classic analog gauges adorn a polished walnut dashboard, while subtle modern touches, infotainment, digital elements, connectivity, are seamlessly integrated. Quilted cream leather seats are plush and stitched with precision, while real wood trim flows along the center console, framing a polished manual gear shifter. This isn't nostalgia for the sake of it. It's timeless design executed with modern precision. Under the long hood, expect a 3.0L turbocharged inline-six engine, producing 380-420 horsepower. A 6-speed manual keeps the driving experience pure, with an optional dual clutch for those who prefer it. Lightweight construction and modern suspension tuning allow a projected 0 to 60 mph time of around 4.5 seconds. But this car isn't about numbers. It's about connection, engagement, and driving pleasure that feels alive and mechanical. As a limited production revival, prices are expected between $145,000 to $175,000 USD, with production starting in late 2025 and deliveries in mid-2026. Heritage, beauty, and exclusivity make the 2026 Austin-Healey 3000 one of the most desirable modern classic roadsters available. This is proof that true automotive beauty doesn't fade. It evolves. Respecting the past while embracing the future, the Austin-Healey 3000 revival feels refreshingly honest in a world of over-designed performance cars. Would you choose this timeless roadster over a modern Porsche or Jaguar? Let me know in the comments. If you love classic icons brought back to life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.